this weekend, two of my girlfriends and I have come down to Mollymook on the New South Wales South Coast, and we're just here for a nice chill girls weekend. All three of us really deserve it. We have been through it lately, so we thought what better way to relax and to catch up than a relaxing weekend away by the beach. So I've just arrived, I'm the first one here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little house tour or apartment tour, and I'll also do a bit of a shopping haul to show you some of the things I've brought and let you know what plans we have coming up. So as soon as you walk in, we have the lounge room, which is really cute. It's all very nautical themed. I love that they have fresh plants in here. So cute and comfy. I'm sure we'll be spending a lot of time just chilling on the lounge. And then we have just this cute little dining area. I love how they have so many just like cute nautical accents, like the shells, the octopus here. Hey, hey. And then they have this really beautiful kitchen, nice big island, perfect for all the snack platters. That is the shopping I will show you in a moment. And then this is one of the guest bedrooms. So cute. And then we come down the hallway to the bathroom. And then we have a laundry situation. Then we have the second guest bedroom, which is again very cute and nautical themed. And then we go into the master. I'm gonna be staying in here, hence all my stuff. But again, just so cute. And there's a little ensuite in here. Shower. Oh, hey again. Toilet. Okay, so no trip would be complete without a shopping haul, and I've got some cold stuff, some snacks, an assortment of things that I thought I would unpack together and show you what I brought and get into the fridge so it's nice and cold for when the girls arrive. So, starting with the cold stuff, I found this, which I thought was really cool. I found it at Now Refresh. It's called the Good Drop Pina Colada. It's a non-alcoholic cocktail mix. I'm not a huge drinker, but I thought, you know, this could be fun. I also brought, I'm not a huge drinker, but I also bought some ciders, but they're all to share. So we've got some ciders. I also brought some bananas for breakfast, blueberries, and then of course the most important, cheese. So we have a camembert and a brie, Gouda, Jarlsberg, and then I also found these really cool dips. So this is from a company called the Olive Branch, and this is a heavenly sun-dried tomato and basil crunchy trio, which it looks so delicious. And then this one is the Heavenly Hummus Trio, and this has white hummus, gourmet barbecue eggplant, and premium aioli. I cannot wait to get into those. And then in this bag, mostly dry snacks. So I got some chips. I love a good kettle chip, but I also love a good crinkle cut chip. So I thought, best of both worlds. Also got some salt and vinegar. I brought some sea salt and wafer crackers to have with the cheese and dips. Then these pita crisps, if you haven't had these, oh my goodness, they are so good, especially with like dips and cheeses. Oh, I got them from Woolworths. They're in like the cracker aisle. So delicious. I also got a classic chicken and a biscuit. Cannot resist that. So last weekend, my mum and I went to a winery called Two Figs in Berry, and we got a cheese board, and they had the most delicious marinated figs on the cheese board. So I had to bring some with us, especially to go with these delicious cheeses. A bottle of wine. And then what else? For breakfast, I bought some macadamia muesli with oat milk. And then just in case we want something sweet before bed. We have some chocolate, the caramel, which is so yummy, I love it. And then just a good old classic dairy milk. So we're only here for 2 nights. We're going out to dinner tonight to Bannisters, which will be so nice. I've wanted to go there for such a long time. But I thought this is a nice little assortment, especially for tomorrow when we just want to kick back and chill here. We don't have any real big plans. The beach is literally just down the road, so we can either take a picnic or just hang out here. The world is literally our oyster. I love that we haven't got much planned and we can truly relax. So let me put all this into the fridges and out in the cupboards, and yeah, let's get all settled in. So this is the fit for tonight. We're going to Bannisters for dinner. This is a knitted top from Kmart. It was like $15. This is a skirt from Spell. I've had it forever, like years. And I'm just gonna wear some brown sandals. Those ones there. Good morning, everyone. Last night was so much fun. We had the best time at dinner. We literally had like a feast. It was like a banquet. You will have seen the video of all the dishes we got, and it was just so delicious. So if you ever get the chance to go to Bannisters, highly recommend. Today is just a nice chill lazy day. We're going to go to Milton for brunch. I just thought I'd show you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute like kind of knitted top. It was $10 from Kmart, bargain. My shorts are from Cuba. I'll probably just wear my Converse, and yeah, it'll be a nice chill day and I'll take you along.